Okay, so as an affiliate marketer, really what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get and capture our audience's name and email address. And the reason we want to do this is, one, we want to be able to segment those names and email addresses into what we call buckets. Okay, so let's say you have one customer that's interested in getting a Walmart gift card. Then you've got another customer that is maybe interested in getting a free Apple iPhone. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to take that information and we want to put that into buckets, separate buckets that we can begin to market to over and over in the future. So let's say we find a really great offer pertaining to Apple iPhone. We want to send that to the customer that's interested in that specific offer, not the person that's interested in the free Walmart gift card. And the great thing about this is once you have that list and once you have your customers segmented, now you don't have to pay to get their attention again, and you can continue to market to them over and over and over. So Aweber is a great program that helps you essentially monetize your lists. It helps you manage those lists, and then it helps you create email sequences to help you send information to your list over and over. And really, it's very affordable for what it allows you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and explain to you exactly what Aweber is. So Aweber is basically an online email management system. So as you collect new email addresses, Aweber is going to help you manage those email addresses and also manage the sequences that you send out offers to your email list. They're also going to help you collect web forms. So if you're kind of new to the email marketing and new to internet marketing in general, and you're wondering how do I create these forms here that capture a customer's information, like so, Aweber actually has a email form generator that allows you to create web forms very quickly, very easily, where you can capture customer information and start segmenting that information into separate lists. So basically you'll create one of these web form generators or web forms in the web form generator and put it on your landing page of your website. Once the customer enters their name and email, their information is sent back to Aweber to your account. Now they'll stay on your page and they'll go to whatever part of your page you want to direct them to, but their information will go back to your Aweber account. You can also track and manage your subscriber statistics. So you can see, how many people have opened your email, how many people have gone through the whole email, how many people have clicked on the links inside the email, how many people have unsubscribed from your email list, how many people have purchased, and essentially how much revenue that email brought into you. So it's a great way to kind of see what your customers are doing with the email once you send it out to them. You can also manage individual users inside your list. So let's say you send out an email and then one person opens up the email, one person opens up the email but then clicks on a link, one person does all three. They open the email, they click on the link, and they buy. You can start to segment out these activities and these users into different buckets and different lists. You can segment from buyers and non-buyers and start separating your users based on what they're doing, what actions they're taking. So it's another great way Aweber allows you to manage your list. You can also utilize Aweber to build third-party software lists. So you can use it with PayPal, Authorize.net, Yahoo Small Businesses. They have a lot of connections with other platforms to help you monetize your list the best that you can and connect your list up. And if you're moving to Aweber and you're bringing a list over, they actually have a great system to help you import that list, bring it over, and manage it through them. And as you can see here on the page, they have web form templates. They've got tons of different templates and colors, pretty much to help you match any kind of style that you want. They've also got various different trainings that you can use. If you haven't already signed up, you can click here and sign up for just $1 from the homepage at aweber.com. But they have videos that help you manage subscribers, deliver your emails, blogs, create your follow-up autoresponders, HTML. If you have no idea how to use HTML, they have a really great tutorial to show you how to use HTML on your site, and especially with the web form generator. And there's also expert customer support that you can utilize as well. So very easy, very simple to use. So if you look here at their features, you see email newsletters, website sign-up forms, collect and manage subscribers, autoresponder follow-up. This is something that basically you set up and the emails are sent out to your customers and you don't even have to sign in and do anything. It just happens for you. Performance tracking, expert customer support. We've also got the pricing features as well. Aweber is a $1 trial to get started, and then after your trial ends, it's $19.95 per month. It's actually very affordable for everything that you're getting. And then pricing, Aweber is a $1 trial, and then once your trial ends, it's actually $19 a month, which is very good, very affordable for everything that you're getting here with Aweber. And then if you click on partners here, you can see affiliates and affiliate sign up. If you want to become an affiliate for Aweber, basically anytime that someone clicks on a link that you provide them and they sign up for Aweber, you get a percentage of whatever they spend, okay, in Aweber. So and you have that every month, month in, month out, for as long as they're a customer. So it's actually a really great program. Aweber has some very awesome affiliate training as well. They have really helpful support, contact us, knowledge base, videos, webinars. Also, they have a great community with their blog. If you haven't already ordered at Aweber, you can do it up here at the top. You can also click email support and live chat with them as well. So that's a quick rundown of Aweber and really how you can take advantage of it.